Hello and welcome. Today I am back with another video. In this video we will solve a simple problem, and the problem is mousepad or trackpad on your laptop doesn't work. First, there are some dedicated keys on your keyboard. You have to check all of them, and if it still doesn't work, there is a setting in Windows 10, and I'm sure in all other versions this setting is also there. For that you have to go to your control panel, then hardware and sounds or sound, and on the upper row you will see mouse. Click on that mouse tab and go to your rightmost tab, the device setting. This device setting must be enabled in order to work your trackpad or mousepad. So if it is disabled, okay, let me disable it. Now my mouse track or my mouse pad is not working because I have disabled it in the Windows setting. Now if I enable it, I have a mouse, physical mouse, a wired mouse. That's why this mouse cursor is working. Let me enable it. Now I am using my trackpad and it works fine. So this is a simple trick. You can do it and this will solve your problem. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment and hit the like button, and if you can share this video, please share it. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye.